Hi everyone, this is Valentina and I wanted to share how to crochet this scarf. This is made using a V stitch, and this is you can crochet as long as you would like. The pattern is very easy. This is multiples of 3. And for this scarf I was using 17 chain 17, so this is multiples of 3 plus 2 for the edging. For this one I'm using Thick and Quick number 6 yarn, this is fisherman color. Let's get started. So my hook is right here. To start, you just take the yarn like this, place your hook, twist it, and now yarn over and pull through. And let's make chain 17. Again, multiples of 3, so 15 plus 2, 17. 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. 15, 16 and 17. So now I add one more, and this is counts as my first stitch for the first row. So yarn over and now insert your hook. You skip 3 chains, 1 2 3, and insert into the 4th. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, pull through 2. This is your double crochet stitch. Now chain 1, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and we'll make another double crochet into the same chain. Just insert your hook, repeat the yarn, pull through, now pull a yarn over again, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2. And this is your another double crochet, and this is the V stitch you get in a V shape. Yarn over again. Now we skip 2 and insert into the 3rd chain, and just we'll repeat the same. We'll make double crochet, so yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1, and make double crochet into the same chain, and again pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is that again shape. You just repeat the same, and let's continue. So again, skip 2 into the 3rd, yarn over, okay, pull through 2, we'll make double crochet, now chain 1, and again make double crochet, and just continue this the same to the end. Yarn over, skip 2 into the 3rd, make double crochet, chain 1, and another double crochet into the same. So this is your pattern. Very easy, very simple, and goes very fast. Skip 2 into the 3rd, double crochet, chain 1, yarn over, and again make that double crochet. And when you finish the row, if you added the correct number of stitches, you should have 2 chains. So yarn over, and we'll skip 1 and make double crochet into the last stitch, just like that, to finish the row. So you'll have nice straight edge of your scarf, same as the beginning. You have here straight, and we'll finish with the same. So each next row will start with 2 chains, chain 2, 1 2, and turn around. And now we'll make, instead of going into that stitch, so yarn over, we'll make double crochet from that space. Here is your V stitch, and we go into that middle space, yarn over, and make double crochet, pull through 2 and pull through 2 again. We chain now again 1 and make another double crochet from the same space, just like that, and we'll repeat. Yarn over. Now we're going into that space right here, into that V space in the middle, and make double crochet 1, chain 1, and make double crochet again into the same space, just like that. Yarn over, and we go into the next space and make double crochet, chain 1, and make double crochet, and just continue the same the entire row to that space, chain 1, and double crochet. My last one stitch, and to finish the row, yarn over, and we'll go now into this right here. So this is 1 and 2 into the second, and make 1 double crochet to finish the row, just like that. So edging out, you will get very nice edging for the scarf. Pattern is very nice too. So now again, to start the row, we chain 2, 1, 2, and turn around, and we repeat the same. Yarn over, insert into that space, make double crochet, then chain 1, yarn over into the same space, yarn over again, and we'll go into the next, make double crochet, chain 1, and again double crochet, and just continue just like that, as easy as it is. Double crochet, chain 1, yarn over, again double crochet, and again. Just continue like this the entire row, and again you start with chain 2 and you finish with 1 double crochet into the very last stitch. So again I will go into this right here and make 1 double crochet, and that's what we get. I want to show how to finish the row, the entire scarf. You're finishing your row right here, and now you have with double crochet, 1 double crochet. So now you just pull that yarn through to finish, and now you just hide the ends, and this is how you finish. And this is beautiful scarf, and there you get approximately, so 17 inches will be a 17 chains, you'll get 8 inches long, and this creates very nice and beautiful pattern. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.